The same way you can control the animation here. Just now I have shown you animation. You can control here. Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to affect the newspaper or text on Canva. Many famous and popular YouTubers use to make their video more engaging with the title and the newspaper effect or text effect in Canva. Simply you open Canva and then go video. Choose the YouTube video. Okay, then go to element. Find for newspaper. Canva is all in one tool, so you can get anything in Canva templates. If you use Pro, you will get million of the Pro, and also if you use free, still you can get million of the design inside the Canva. Go to photos. You can see here about newspaper. Let's say I take this one. First, let me show you how you can do for the newspaper. You can see this is the article, the news, and then go into design. Go to elements and find for the shapes. You can see here you have along the shapes. Simply take one shape, make it a smaller size to your article just to cover it, and now change the colors you want and go to transparency. Change a bit transparency to this. You can choose also red color, whatever you want to make more attractive. Okay. Now go to elements. Wipe. Take this wipe elements. Make a bit slower. You can see now this one coming to this way. If you want to go this way, make it like this. Left to come or right to go, you can make it in Canva, or also come from up and come to the down. This is as you like. If you want to control the speed here, you must be Canva Pro. For free, you cannot control. This is how newspaper highlighted in Canva. The color you can choose here any color you want, blue, gray, any color you like, but mostly people use red color, pink color. This is also nice. Go to transparency to make more a bit like this, and now you play the video. You can see. So this is how you make on newspaper. Now if you want to make the same for your article, also you can. Simply I am going to write here, please subscribe my channel. This is the article. I just write, make it a bit larger, a bit bigger, and change the fonts. Now you can see it's become a bit bold. You can make more bigger, then copy this, make the same size, delete, change the color as you like, put any color, and go here. You can see again. The same way you can control the animation here. Just now I have shown you animation. You can make text or newspaper affected in your video, and this is how you can make in Canva. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more video.